Hey everyone, ready to jump into the AI content creation rabbit hole?
Sounds fun. Let's dive in.
We're breaking down how one creator uses AI to go from idea to publish content across YouTube, a blog post, everything in just about 3 hours.
It's really impressive how they leverage these AI tools.
So where do they even start?
They actually start with competitor analysis, figuring out what's already out there.
Instead of just going straight to ChatGPT.
Exactly. They use a tool called Note.gbt to analyze transcripts from similar YouTube videos.
Transcripts, not even watching the videos.
Nope. They told me traditional research took way too long. Note.gbt pulls out key takeaways, summarizes a video, all in minutes.
Wow, that's way faster. But how does reading a transcript help them find their own angle?
Well, Note.gbt has this AI chat, so they can actually ask questions about the content.
Oh, interesting.
It helps them dig deeper, find those hidden angles you might miss just watching casually.
Like having a research assistant who can watch hours of footage and tell you the important parts.
Exactly.
That could be useful for more than just videos, though, right?
Oh, absolutely. Imagine using it for research papers, reports, even just a ton of articles you need to read. Game changer.
Okay, NoteGBT is going on my list. But back to our creator, what do they do after all that research?
They believe in that human touch when filming, but use some cool AI tricks for editing with this software, V.
What kind of tricks?
Well, there's this magic code feature that basically gets rid of all the ums and ahs.
Oh, I am the king of
Yeah.
Especially when I'm trying to, explain something.
Right. Well, this just smooths it all out, makes you sound super polished.
So it's not just saving time, it actually makes the video better.
Exactly. And they also use V for this AI eye correction thing. You ever notice how some YouTubers don't quite look at the camera?
All the time. Drives me crazy.
Well, this AI fixes it. Makes it look like they're looking right at you the whole time.
Wild. Those little details make such a difference, though.
It's all about making it a better experience for the viewer. The creator did mention aim.me as a great resource for finding more AI tools, too.
Ooh, I'll have to check that out. They also have a pretty innovative way of using AI for scripting, right?
Yeah, they've got this whole two-step process with custom ChatGPT prompts.
Ooh, tell me more about this process.
So first, they use a prompt called the outliner. Basically, they give ChatGPT their video idea, and it creates a structured outline.
Like giving it a roadmap so it's not just going in every direction.
Exactly. But here's the cool part. They then feed that outline into another ChatGPT prompt called the scriptwriter. This one is trained on the creator's previous scripts.
So they've got their own AI scriptwriter that knows their style. That's amazing.
And it actually works. It takes the outline and turns it into a script that sounds like them.
How much time does that save them?
A ton. Though they still say human oversight is key.
Right, you don't want to just trust the AI completely.
Exactly. Sometimes they tweak things. Sometimes they have to start over if the AI isn't getting it right.
It's a tool to help them not completely take over.
Exactly. But it definitely helps them beat writer's block and work more efficiently.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
But wait, there's more, right? They don't stop at just a YouTube video.
Oh, no, they are masters of repurposing content. But I think we should take a quick break before we dive into that.
All right, back to it. So before the break, we were about to learn how this creator turns one video into a whole content empire.
Yeah, the repurposing game is strong. Remember NoteGBT, that tool they use for YouTube transcripts?
Yeah, for their research.
They use it for other stuff too, like blog posts and articles.
Makes sense.
They were saying how much time it used to take to read through those long articles trying to pull out the main points.
Oh, I feel that. So
Yeah.
easy to get lost in all that text.
Right. But NoteGBT summarizes it all, gives you those key takeaways super fast. Then they can use that AI chat to dig deeper, just like with the videos.
So smart. Working smarter, not harder.
Exactly. And it's not just blog posts. You could use it for anything. Reports, research, even email threads.
Okay, I need to try this NoteGBT thing, like yesterday. But let's get back to the video transformation magic. They mentioned using AI for those short-form videos, right?
Yeah, they use AI tools to create those too, instead of, editing the whole video down themselves.
The AI just knows what to pull out to make those little shareable clips.
Pretty much. It's all about optimizing for those different platforms. People who might not watch a whole YouTube video might see a short one.
So smart. It's like having a whole editing team working in the background. But the blog post thing was the most impressive to me. How did they do that again?
So they take their finished video, grab the audio, and use a tool called Restream to transcribe it.
Turning the video into a podcast, basically.
Kind of. But then they give that transcript to Claude.
Claude.
It's another AI like ChatGPT. They ask it to rewrite the transcript as a blog post.
No way. It could do that.
Yeah, it even suggests images.
So it's actually writing a whole new piece of content, not just like copying the video.
It's analyzing the text, finding the important parts, and structuring it like a blog post. You know, headings, keywords, all that.
Incredible. Does the creator have to edit it much, or does it sound like them already?
They still edit, of course, add their own voice, but the AI does most of the writing.
That must save so much time and brain power.
That's the whole point. They can focus on the creative stuff they actually enjoy. It's all about using these tools to be more efficient and, unlock more creative potential.
I love that. We've talked about words, but what about the visuals? This creator uses AI for images too, right?
Oh, yeah. They've got a whole system for that. A few different tools they use, actually.
All right, let's talk AI image generation. This is the part where it really feels like the future is here, Just describing an image and having the AI create it.
It's pretty amazing how fast this technology is developing. Our creator friend uses a few different tools. One they like for just ease of use is ChatGPT, but they use it with DALL-E 2 to make images.
Wait, they're using ChatGPT to talk to an AI image generator. How does that even work?
So they basically have a conversation with ChatGPT, right? Describing the image, style, colors, all that.
Okay.
And ChatGPT takes all that and turns it into something DALL-E 2 can understand, and then boom, you've got an image.
That's so much easier than trying to learn Photoshop or something.
Right, much lower barrier to entry. Though the creator did say DALL-E 2 is only free for a little bit, then you gotta pay.
Makes sense. Can't expect the AI to work for free forever. What other tools do they use?
They've also tried out Midjourney. Makes some seriously high-quality images, almost like photorealistic stuff.
I've seen some of those Midjourney images. Crazy good.
Yeah, it's definitely a step up from DALL-E 2, but it's a bit tougher to learn.
They mentioned something about Discord. That always throws me off.
Yeah, so Midjourney, you use it through Discord, that chat app, instead of having its own website.
Okay, that's why I got so confused when I tried it. Felt like I was in the wrong place.
Yeah, it's a little strange if you're not used to Discord. And the way you type in the commands and stuff is different.
So not as simple as just chatting with ChatGPT.
Not as straightforward, no.
Yeah.
But it gives you a lot of control. And the results, like we said, are usually amazing.
For those of us who aren't ready for the Discord deep dive, any other options?
Totally. Adobe Express, it's free and can do a bunch of stuff, including making AI images.
Oh yeah, I've used Adobe Express before for simple graphics. Didn't know it could do AI images too.
It's got a lot of features, though. I think the creator said it can be a little overwhelming at first just because there's so much you can do.
Too many buttons, too many options.
Right. But Adobe's got good tutorials, so it's not too bad once you get going.
That's good to know. So big picture here, this creator is using AI for everything. Research, editing, writing, images, the whole content creation process.
It's pretty wild how much you can do with AI now, but it's still important to remember these are tools,
Right, they're not here to replace us, just help us.
Exactly. This isn't about the AI taking over and doing everything. It's about this creator using these tools to be more creative, more efficient. There's still the one with the ideas, the vision, the voice.
A human-machine partnership.
I like that. It's not about AI versus humans. It's about AI helping humans do even more.
I love it. Well, I think that's about all the time we have for today's deep dive.
Yeah.
We covered a lot. NoGPT, ChatGPT, DALL-E 2, Midjourney. Whew.
It's a lot to take in, and we just scratched the surface of what these tools can do. But the biggest takeaway, AI is here, it's accessible, and it's changing how we create.
So get out there, experiment, have fun with it, and we've got links to all the tools we talked about in the show notes.
Until next time, happy creating.